Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here, which relays for the left headlight on your Ford F-150 will demonstrate on a 2016 model. You guys have two different fuse boxes. We'll need to open the fuse box that's under the hood in your F-150, and if you open the fuse box, the hood, okay, right behind the car battery, guys, you will have a fuse box. That's the cover right here, which is known as battery junction box or engine bay fuse box. You open that cover and you're going to see a layout that looks just like this one. This being the front of your F-150, guys. This is towards the windshield, guys. So let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, check this thing out. You will have all kinds of different fuses, relays that are Ford specific, could be hard to find or really overpriced, expensive. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, where you can get some replacement ones at a good price and quick shipping. That way you don't waste your hard-earned money. So if we come right here in that fuse panel right there, guys, that relay on the left side, that's the relay for the left headlight that you need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.